Hi everyone, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. Maneuvering diagram package was launched at least 3 to 4 months back, and I made a lot of videos with Bani sir ki how why this package was built, but I did not show you a single video ki what is there in this package. So let's show you a sample video where we are talking about the initial stage of maneuvering diagram when it is in stop condition और कैसे होता है. Please watch this video. अगर आपको कुछ सीखने को मिला है, go in the description box and in the comment section you'll find the link of the package. Go ahead and buy it, invest on yourself, because maneuvering diagram is very important for every engineer.
So finally, we came to a point when we will be understanding the entire maneuvering diagram. So before that, we were building the base to understand about the basic layout, about the basic system attached with it, about basic parts attached with it, about the functionality of direction control valve, types of direction control valve, or the actuation method of direction control valve. So if all your fundamentals are right, then you are in the right place. If you still have a doubt, about any of these things, I would request you to please go back to the particular topic which you still need more consideration. You go through it, because once we start in this one, you should have a thorough knowledge about the immediate classification of the direction control valve. What is this, or the double non-return valve. So I would request you, if you have not gone through those videos, please go through it and please join us over here. Okay, so let's start about the maneuvering diagram. So this maneuvering diagram is taken from, reference is taken from the MAN BMW, and this is a diagram for the K series or the L series S50 to 70 MC engine. Means this is valid for the K series or L series for the S50 to 70 MC engine. So this diagram, if you are able to understand this diagram, you can in fact all the engines, all the MAN BMW engines especially, have more or less the same maneuvering diagram. Some items may differ, but the concept will still be the same. 95% will be the same, and maybe some wall number could be here and there. Even the wall numbers, which if you can see, like 25, 38, 33, 37, all these are almost universal for all MAN engine. So please, if you are able to understand this one, then I'm pretty sure you can crack all the maneuvering diagram. Second thing, before starting this maneuvering diagram, I would like to tell you that this is not complicated one. It looks complicated, but believe me, it is just like a solving a knots. So if you just find the right knot, you will able to open and solve the puzzle. So let us join and start the maneuvering diagram, understanding the diagram. Okay, we have a few types of air. We have main 30 bar air, which is coming from the main air bottle, and that air which is going actually inside the main engine. So that point is here. It is a supply of 30 bar air and stopped by the main air starting valve. Fair enough. So we have 30 bar air here. Then we have two more types of air. One is called the control air and second is called the safety air. So we have A and B point. If you can see over here, this is A point and B point. This is A point is control air, whereas B point is safety air. Okay. So bottom line, we have as of now three types of air. Main air, which is a 30 bar air, which is going to the main engine. We have control air and we have safety air. So if you, with this I will start. So among the entire cobweb, I will choose the most easiest point. Let us choose the most easiest point, which is the entry point of the control and safety air. So this is your main entry point. If you can see, what is it over here? There is an entry of 30 bar, which is coming from the main air bottle. Okay. And via set of valve, filter, pressure reducer, safety valve and non-return valve, safety valve and non-return valve. Same on this side, valve, filter, pressure reducing valve, relief valve, non-return valve. It has reached to point B. This side reached to point A and point B coming exactly from the same source of 30 bar. So now from 30 bar we have reduced the pressure to 7 bar. 7 bar we have reduced because this 7 bar is ideal. This 7 bar is ideal for the control air, and for the safety side for the point B we are keeping around 6 to 7 bar. More or less it is same. It is, you should not bother about these values. Range should be bound between 6 to 7 bar or 7.5 bar. Fine. So one thing is clear, your air is now ready. 30 bar came and divided into two parts, safety air and control air. Fair enough? Very nice. Okay, if this part is clear, let us start with the control air. We have a control air over here. If you can follow me. If you can follow me over here, the control air with a 7 bar air has come to wait at point number 1. And yes, right now we are discussing the initial state of the engine. Please note, we are discussing the initial state of the engine, that engine is ready to start but is in stop condition. I will repeat, engine is ready to start but is in stop condition. So this is our initial state in which we will set up the line. So your control air has come, and what is one? One is the manual actuation of manual actuated direction control valve, which will allow control air to go further right hand side. This is the same valve which you are opening before any before any departure. You are opening this valve, this control air line you open, and your control air goes forward. You see, as I am going forward, you will see there are a lot of bifurcations are there, right? One air is going here, one is going here, one air is going here, right? So lot of air is going here, there. We will come to each and every junction, but let us take one route first. I am keep on going over here and waiting at this point. What is this point? This is the selector switch. This is the selector switch. If you can read over here, it's a remote or emergency. Remote means either it can be started from ECR or bridge. If I select to emergency, then it can be only started from the local, means engine emergency console of the engine. So we are dealing that we are going to start our engine from the remote condition. So we'll first choose the remote one. So we'll assume that this valve, this is set at the remote condition. At that condition, air will find a way going down. Air will find a way. It went down. Follow this path and went down. Now what you see? The air of control air, which has came via valve number 100, which is the selector switch, came down and is waiting at these 4 solenoid operated direction control valve. And you can see what are the names: stop solenoid, ahead solenoid, astern and start. Air is not right now, is waiting to go up, but it is waiting for some kind of indication, right? Now, as I told you, current situation is that a ship is in the stop condition. Okay. And now if you see on the left hand side of the board, if you see on the left hand side of the board, what you will find? You will find a telegraph, right? There is a telegraph is over here, and if you can read, it is over here. The stop, start, minimum, maximum, astern. Stop, start, minimum, maximum, ahead means On this side, if I turn the clockwise, the engine is going to start in the ascending direction. If I take this lever into anti-clockwise from this direction, the engine is going to start in the ahead direction. So as I told you, this what we are learning is that engine is in stop condition. So lever at this position, right? Lever is at center position. When lever is at center position, this switch number 63 is being pressed by this lever. As a result, if the switch is 63 is pressed, this stop switch is activated. Now I will again, just for air came like this, came like this, came like this, and was waiting at this point. The moment 63 is activated, this solenoid got activated. As a result, air got a path to go up, go up, go up, go up, and activate valve number 38. This is the valve number 38, and this gets activated. Once the valve is activated, this means this side air can cross to this side. This side air can cross to this side, right? Now, what is on the right hand side? What is on my right hand side? Let us follow this one. This line is nothing but a branch from the main control layer. You see, it was a branch which came over here and was waiting for the signal. As the switch stop command is activated, now it has a chance to go forward. It went forward. Now we have double non-return valve. I have already explained the function of double non-return valve, that either air can come from this side or that side, but outlet point is only one. For any double non-return valve, outlet point is only this side. Either air can come from here and go up, or air can go from here and go up. So this is double non-return valve. So air came and is going up in this direction. Okay, it went up and it has activated again a valve number 25. It is again direction control valve, 2 position 3-way valve, and it has activated 25. This means the right hand side air can go on the left hand side. And what is on the right hand side? Again a branch from the control layer which was waiting, right? So now it can go up. Okay, very nice. Now what is on top? What is over here? What is over here? Till this point, right? Now if you can see the branches, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, this branches means this is a duplicate unit. We are only showing one unit of the engine. There will be, like, your engine could be 6 cylinder, your engine could be 8 cylinders. So we are not showing all 8 cylinders. It is just understood that if you are showing one, it will be same for all. So what your stop air which came like this, again I will draw. Okay, this air went up like this. So we have come to a point through double non-return valve. It went over and have activated the puncture valve, and your engine is in a locked stopped condition, that your engine will not fire anymore. So I hope till this point it is quite clear with you what is going on. In the same time, if you see that from this control layer, one line went up via this direction control valve, and through various units, like there are 6 units, we are showing one. It went to the exhaust valve, and it is the same exhaust valve which we have discussed in the exhaust valve system. What air does, it goes and pressurize up the air piston and keeps lock the exhaust valve in the closed condition. So this is what is happening in the closed condition. One control air came via this solenoid valve, via 38, one section of the control air crossed 38, went over and activated 25. Same section of the control air went over via double non-return valve 128, have actuated the puncture valve. So this is in the stop condition and it's in the initial condition. This is what is happening. We'll say, our next step will to start the engine in the ahead direction. We will just see in our next video.